They back and they working. All right. All right, last project design. Let me see it when you get done. All right. So we got it this time. Uh-oh, you got an open circuit somewhere. I don't hear anything. What is it? Something. Okay, he needed power. So we back again. We got the ice cream truck going around. He got his nice little incentive for doing a great job. I'm telling you, hands-on. You can't be hands-on projects, man. They win every time. Hands-on science, win. All right, he said he needs some help. Hey, JC, help out this. All right, he said he needs some help. Hey, JC, help out. Okay, Chelsea, and she in business now. So yeah, you see it. She got a circuit together. Electronic snap circuits. All right, we got another group. We're working with our snap circuits again, closed and open circuits. All right, we got another live in the cut right here. I want you to power. All right, so we got live in the cut. The young ladies have power. They do have it. Oh yeah. Open circuit, closed circuit. Perfect. Okay, so this group over here was successful in doing their open and closed circuit. You see they have power. We got our circuit. Okay, so we back again. The girls are moving pretty quick. You can see they got power again. Let's check out the fan. They did it. All right, perfect. Y'all brother Jonah. They making it happen. Him and Andrew, they did a great job working together. Pretty good. Closed circuit, they got it this time. Everybody saying it's working. They doing an awesome job. They following their designs. They closed the circuit. They got power. Uncut. We got our first group of young men all together. They made it work. They followed the design. Perfect. Good job, fellas.
Good air.
All right, we back at the young ladies. They started this thing off. They still making it happen. I hear a little happy birthday to you. Hold on. They did that. Let's check out their circuit. Perfect. The fellas are back in action. They moved from last place back into competition. They got sound. They got power. It's working. We got a circuit. Oh yeah, you hear it. Oh yeah, they jamming over here. Come to the party. Oh yeah. Happy birthday to you. All right, we back in this. Looking at the open and closed circuits. We got our circuit going down right here. Check out the young ladies as they working on their snaps. take a look at that design. Perfect. They got another one. We studying electricity, we got electrical engineers, we're looking at a series system. They made it this time. Let's check out what we got the neighbors doing a great job. Right up in here. Okay, you see that circular path that she kind of created going right into. Again, gotta have power over the battery. Alright? And another one, you see she's doing a great job, did a great job. Perfect circuit. Right up in there. So we back. We got the fellas at this table, and they doing exactly what they should have been doing. Check out the circular path. You can see it right here. That's right. Great job. Alright, the two look like he had it going on. You see a circular path. They have the battery. They have light. You see Antonio. He did it. He was successful. Wally, perfect. Let me see that. Ooh, that might be him. All right. Oh, he got his motor connected. All right. So the last table, we got young ladies again. Another circular path. We have power. That's perfect. Again, nothing like hands-on science. It doesn't. She says it's getting brighter. So what did she do to make it get brighter? Was it a better connection? Was it the worst connection? What happened? Again, point out everything that we would need. We have insulators and conductors all over this whole circuit right here. Can you identify the insulator or the conductor? Alright, so it's another live and uncut. This time we got our second group of scientists. They came inside, they got simple series circuits, and it's perfect. So we can see we have power over here. We got power over there. The young man is working. He has some power. We're getting ready to hook those motors up, and that'll be the next thing that we're getting ready to do. We have another table of students and the super scientists on this side. They've done a great job in creating their circular circuits. So we have them. They're making happen. What'd you say? It's hot? That's right. Most things that produce light also produce heat. All right. So it's looking pretty good right here. The next thing that they'll do. All right. So we still working, man. When I can tell you, they all successful. It's looking pretty good. This time they attach motors. You see it? Oh yeah. Alright, looking good. So here we go. There's another live and uncut. And this time they working with, we don't have them over here, but you got Diamond. Hers is working bold. She got an open circuit. It's closed again. I see you. Oh, that's not working, Justin. Alright, so it's another live and uncut. This time we got our second group of scientists. They came inside. They got simple series circuits, and it's perfect. So we can see we have power over here. We got power over there. The young man is working. He has some power. We're getting ready to hook those motors up, and that'll be the next thing that we're getting ready to do. We have another table of students that are super scientists on this side. They've done a great job in creating their circular circuits. So we have them. They making happen. What'd you say? It's hot? Yeah. That's right. Most things that produce light also produce heat. All right. So it's looking pretty good right here. The next thing that they'll do is listen up. All right. So we still working, man. And I can tell you, they all successful. It's looking pretty good. This time they attach motors. You see it? Oh yeah. I see you. You guys still They working together. Always. All right, this time we got Mr. Brooks, and he's working with the students on their snap circuits. You can see him. He's checking on the progress of their work. They doing an awesome job right up in here.